guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm going to my grandma's house to the province in the Leyte. So now I'm here in the ferry boat. We are here at the terminal, gate 1. 6 PM pa mo ang boarding Malta guys. So I'm with my sister. That's that's not my sister guys. That's my auntie. Yes, tita. Among mga bag, these are my bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is our food. Yes. Eat guys. Time check, it's 4:40 PM pa. So we need to wait pa nga mo 6 PM siya guys. Charm ko nila tinai in Filipino. So time check, it's 4:50 PM and it's so tagal. Nandito kami sa Hi guys, nandito kami sa aming tutulugan ngayon at aandar ito ng barko ng mga 9 PM pa guys. So ayan, finally nandito na kami sa aming tutulugan at kakain muna kami kasi magagabi na eh. So already night na. So already evening na guys. So we need to eat pa because we have hindi pa kami kumakain ng hapunan. So, hi Sata. This is my auntie. So unsa ni oras maabot mga aabot ni ang barko guys mga 4 AM or 3 AM or 2 AM na ara na guys. Okay, so we're going to eat first because it's so hungry na here. My bag. So I'm ready now to sleep na because Hi guys, so nibalhin ko seat like diba nakakunto sa taas and then nibalhin ko diri sa ubos niyan ako sa boy nga mga na balhin ta ay pwede mo balhin tag seat ni okay ra po siya and then guys ni under na mo barko sa oras tita sa oras kara alas 9 PM guys is ni under na ang barko. So, dagan pa kay mga tanga, wag pa nang matug. And then, i-under na ang barko. And then, I think need na akong matug. Nice kay ang view, guys. Like, aring na part. Nice kay siya. Like, kanang na siya mga light. Kaya sa diri, ngit-ngit kay siya nga. Ngit-ngit kay siya aring na part. Yes. Matug. Example lang. For example lang, camera natin. Yan din ang camera na pud kana lang. Bye guys. I'm going to sleep now. Annyeong. See you tomorrow in the Badol Lady. Hi guys. So I wake up 1 AM and my tita is sleeping pa. So the other people too is sleeping also. So meron ding nakagising ng 1 AM. Pero hindi pa rin kami na abot. Hindi pa rin, wala pa kami abot guys. Guys, this is Naruga. And now we are here at the Lake Liverpool. See you to the next day. Bye bye.